Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the file type and where it came from, because that determines which tools work. Once you have a copy, check whether Word shows read only, protected view, or a password prompt. Note exact wording. If you have the password or admin account, keep it ready. If not, proceed with non-destructive steps. Make sure to disable Cloud Sync temporarily to prevent version conflicts, and then open Word with elevated privileges so you can take the next action. Now you remove protection using Word's built-in controls. You go to Review Right Arrow Protect Document and choose Stop Protection. Enter the password if prompted. If Word refuses, save a copy as docx and open the copy, sometimes save as clears transient locks. Once done, check File, Right Arrow Info, Right Arrow Manage Document, Right Arrow Recover Unsaved Documents or Versions to restore a clean copy. If Word shows corruption, run Open and Repair from the Open dialog. Make sure to keep the original intact while you test. To finish, verify the document opens normally and all content, formatting, track changes, and comments are intact. If you removed a password, save and create a new secure backup. Make sure to reapply intended protections responsibly. Once done, re-enable Cloud Sync and confirm version history is preserved. If things go wrong, try opening the copy on another machine or use Word's repair tools. The key tip is to always work on a duplicate, so you can restore the original if recovery steps worsen the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.